a global SaaS platform that enables the collaboration between data collection companies and modeling companies to collaborate with using video footage and from all sources of hardware, whether that's CCTV, drones, any kind of static camera, and uploading it to the GoodVision platform, where it is extracted all at once, all data. So everything that you can think of that's on that image, whether it's the speeds, classes, everything is extracted at once, uploaded to the platform and processed in 1 hour. The main thing is it's saving you time. It's saving you costs in your resources because it's reduced in the turnaround time. It's also removing manual work, but not only removing the manual work, it's removing the time that it takes to organize the manual work and teams that have to actually put together to do all this type of manual counting and analysis. And then also increasing your productivity. If we can deliver to you your models, your inpx file, your simulation model, or your gap times within minutes, it's cutting down a lot of time and giving you that back to actually concentrate on other projects or important aspects of that project. We're going to look firstly at actually creating the PTV Vissim model. So we're going to look at creating this or preparing it to get this data for you and showing you how, as a modeler, you can create this file, but also the saturation flow, and then look at the vehicle list on giving you the speeds and the gap times. All the data that we've just been creating is actually carried over. So now we can actually look and see in the PTV Vissim model the actual movements of what we've created. We can see the volumes is carried over from each of the links that we've done, so the movements. The speeds are carried over for each vehicle or each class, which is on the, as we can see here. If we go down, we can see the GoodVision speed. So that's east to OGV1 and car van. It actually gives you the speed of each of the classifications. And that's all pre-done for you. You don't have to be looking at, adding this information and getting it from another source. It's already there. So you can then start modeling and looking at that intersection and running your simulations.